Hi, Joel Rollins back on day 3 of InfoComm. People are looking a little tired, but yesterday I had a great interview with Andrew Limert, and I wanted to come back this morning and take another look at Visionary Solutions product. With me today is Jordan Christoff, their president. Jordan, thanks for being with us.
Oh, thank you, Joel. I appreciate it.
Now, outside my role as rAVe's reporter here at the show, I also run an integrator in New York, so I do a lot of IPTV work, and I was really interested to see PacketTV. Tell me a little bit about the background of the product.
Well, PacketTV is a product that our customers have been requesting for quite some time. It allows us to tie the entire IPTV system together from encoding to decoding, VOD, and Active Directory integration.
Great. I was really interested for some of the specs on the product with Andrew. What do you feel makes PacketTV different than the other IPTV solutions that are out there?
Well, the ease of use, it's quite easy for someone to start using it on the player side as an end user, and the configuration side of it makes it so that you don't need to get a degree from us in order to use it. And the quality point is very high. It integrates as a browser plugin, so it's easy to deploy.
Now that was something that really interested me because a lot of my work is done in doing video systems for very large schools, universities, private schools especially. I'm in Greenwich, Connecticut, so we have a lot of private schools around us. And what's happening in that market is students now all being issued common displays, especially the iPad. And so this would play right into a school that wanted to do distribution and archiving of their IPTV and enabling their teachers to use it effectively.
Yeah, one thing that's interesting, it has a few modes. We're able to use very high quality multicast on the LAN, and then we're able to create HTTP live stream proxies for iOS and Android devices that can be attached to the network wirelessly.
And the other thing that I was intrigued to hear was that most of the IPTV solutions that I use have to use an appliance or a server, and everything has to be stored there. But I understand you can be mapped to other locations.
Yeah, so in the newest version of the software, it allows you to use a network-attached storage to store all of your VOD, because we decided that we really can't compete with the storage vendors, and we don't want to lock you into 500 gig or 2 terabyte that you then have to come back to us to get more storage.
Now, this is the first time I've had a chance to see PacketTV, but of course I'm familiar with BTX, and we're standing here right now in the BTX booth. Tell me a little about your relationship with BTX.
Well, we just recently started to use BTX as a distributor. We're very excited about their direct sales force and their high knowledge aspect. They learn about your product, and they're able to actually integrate with the users and end customers to explain your product and do a really good job supporting them.
Yeah, they're well known for that, actually, and since they handle a product in my area, I'll definitely be talking to BTX back when I have my dealer hat on. Tell me a little bit about the background of Visionary Solutions and yourself.
Sure. Visionary Solutions started in 1995. We were doing OEM imaging applications, but I had been interested in convergence and IP connectivity by that time for at least 5 years. And so when we were able to be self-funded and produce our own product, we came out with our first encoder for sale in 2004, which we had started development on in 2002, and it's still in production today. It was standard def MPEG-2. At that time, very low price point, kind of shook the industry up a little, and we've continued to enhance our encoder line throughout that time, but now adding middleware and decoding to that lineup.
And how old is PacketTV?
The software has been in development for about 8 years and deployment, and we've made some changes to it recently. So,
if you were a dealer and you wanted to get more information, or you really wanted to get involved with PacketTV, for instance, you wanted to compare it to an existing installation, how would you get a hold of Visionary Solutions?
Well, you'd call our sales department, check us out on the web, and we would set up a webinar. We have a 30-day evaluation policy, so you can try our stuff out. We're really good at looking at your system for you and helping you understand the system design applications. We've been doing IP video for over 10 years, so we understand the pitfalls, which are mostly network related, so we can help out there.
So as a dealer, are you saying that I can actually experiment with PacketTV without any sales commitment?
Sure, yeah, you can do either a webinar with us, or we'll set up a demo that you can try out.
That's excellent. And your website is?
www.vsicam.com.
VSICAM. Okay, great. Well, not entirely as intuitive as I thought it might be.
Indeed. So
Okay, or you can contact BTX.
you can contact BTX and you'll find us there. So
And do you have a booth of your own here at the show?
we do. We're over in Central Hall at 7744
And the BTX booth is?
North Hall 1019.
Okay, so we can actually see IPTV, Packet TV at multiple locations here at the show. So for those of you who are still here at the show and are putting in your last day, this will be a great place to come and take a look. Thanks for being with us.
All right, thanks, Joel. Appreciate it.